May is Mental Health Awareness Month, and according to the Children's Home Society of Florida, 46% of parents say that their teenager has shown a new or worsening mental health condition since the pandemic began. So Flagler Health and St. Johns County Schools are working together to bring health and wellness services to students. And joining us now is Paige Stanton, the Director of Social Innovation with Care Connect. Good morning, Paige.
Good morning. How are you?
Doing great. Telehealth, as we all know, has really taken off during the pandemic. But how do these particular kiosks work for the kids?
Right. Well, you really hit the nose right on the head when you said it's taking off. We were really excited to be able to kick this off in partnership with something called Community Partnership Schools that CHS helps to oversee. So we have two schools that we currently have, the kiosks in Webster and Southwoods Elementary in St. Johns County. And really, they were born out of a need for sort of that medical home and that instantaneous access to medical services within the school. It's really supposed to be a community hub so that it is able to break down any barriers for students and families to gain access to medical care. So they are actually embedded in two portables that are just off of the school campus, right adjacent to the schools. And any time and any point during the school that there is a student or child that is identified as needing any kind of medical support in that moment, they're identified by the nurse, and then our wellness coordinator with Flagler Health Plus is able to receive the student and, with the consent and permission of the guardian, facilitate a visit on the telehealth kiosk. And so we have all of the peripherals that you would need to take, heart rate, blood pressure, all of the necessary vitals to be able to conduct a complete doctor's visit.
And Paige, you mentioned that with the parents' permission, you do these things. How do they notify the parents that they're doing this?
Yeah, so really we've had this, we began this in about December, rolling this out live. And so we've really been able to work with the schools and the school district to be able to provide a lot of comprehensive marketing materials, getting it out there in the newsletters, on our website, doing short clips to be able to let them know, as well as our wellness coordinator. She's really boots on the ground at the schools. And so she is able to go out into the community events as well, go in that bus loop and be able to share the information with the families, help familiarize them with something that maybe they're not as familiar with, so that we can go ahead and get them access to that kiosk. It is currently totally free of charge for the families and communities around those schools. So it makes it really easy for them to go ahead and get access to it.
And we know those families at those two schools could really use a lot of support. Now,
absolutely.
These kiosks have been put in other school districts already. What are some of the things that we've learned from people who have done this ahead of us?
Yeah, I think when you think, at least to me, when you think pre-COVID, telehealth seemed like it wasn't as bustling, or it wasn't as common. And now it's really the talk of the town, if you will. So I think in looking at other models with other schools, where we learned particularly was maybe there was more benefit to utilizing telehealth than setting up an actual kind of school-based health clinic, is what they call them, utilizing nurse practitioners and doctors on site. It's much more efficient utilizing the kiosk in this way, because it's live, it's on demand, and it's used when it's needed. So the services that are paid for on our end are utilized just when they're needed, and so there's really no overhead there. And so that has been phenomenal, as well as having access to such a large range of doctors and nurse practitioners in the state of Florida.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing that information for us. As you see, those are the two schools that will have those kiosks, and we'll have this whole interview on our website, news4jax.com, if you'd like to review it.